Jai Sriman-Narayana.
Finally, Rama is saying that, "Ho Lakshmana, Pitriye Vachane Vyavasthitam. I am going to be completely surrendering to whatever my father Dasharatha Maharaju ordered. I am going to be following that. There is no second thought. Ho Lakshmana, Satpathaha, that is what is the most fair and the most better righteous way. There is no any other second thought in that." Like that, when Rama is trying to disclose his how much he is strongly resolved to follow Dasharatha Maharaju's orders, then Kausalya Devi is looking at Rama and saying that, "Oh Rama, do you know that when you are here, there are so many servants, so many chefs, and so many people serves you in each and every aspect and respect and takes care of you. There is nothing that you would have to do here, but in forest, you will have to eat whatever is available there. Maybe it is herb, maybe it is a leaf, maybe it is a fruit, and there you may have to sleep anywhere, everywhere on the ground. Oh Rama, how can you endure all that discomfort, Rama? I am unable to even imagine all those discomforts and pains. Oh Rama, I cannot be here far away from you. Please take me also along with you. If you leave me here, I will be day to day deteriorating, day to day burning out, and day to day I will be going so weak and weak. Oh Rama, please take me along with you." Then Rama responding to Kausalya Devi saying that, "Amma, the married woman should never leave, never give up husband. That is a big, huge sin. I cannot see, I don't want to see my mother committing that kind of sin. Amma, you have to be there along with Father Dasharatha Maharaju all the time. Sahidharmaha Sanatanaha, that is what is eternal righteousness which is disclosed in our scriptures." When Rama is talking like this about the righteousness, Kausalya Devi getting amazed to see her own son. She is the one who raised him, and in front of her eyes, Rama has grown up. Now Rama is looking like a personification of righteousness. Kausalya Devi, after seeing like Rama is giving a great level of great tenets of righteousness, then Kausalya Devi says, "Rama, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama." Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, We want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.